Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had your car battery die at the worst possible time, like when you're already late, let's say trying to escape an awkward family gathering, then this little gadget might just be your new best friend. Today we're talking about the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, the ultimate battery charger and jump starter combo that claims to bring your car back from the dead in seconds. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Asterisk. Okay, first off, what is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40? This is a 1000 MP lithium jump starter designed for 12-volt batteries. It's made for gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. So whether you've got a compact car, an SUV, or something in between, this should have you covered. It's not just a jump starter, though. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of roadside emergencies. It's also a portable power bank. It has a built-in LED flashlight with 7 different modes. And it charges via USB-C, which means faster and more convenient charging. Asterisk in the box, you'll get the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 itself, a set of heavy-duty jumper clamps, a USB-C charging cable, a microfiber storage bag, and a 1-year warranty, which is always a nice little bonus. Asterisk, and everything fits perfectly in this small, durable case, so you don't have to worry about it rolling around your trunk like a rogue water bottle. Asterisk. Let's talk design. This thing is rugged. It's like survive a zombie apocalypse rugged. It has a rubberized, over-molded casing that prevents it from scratching your car's paint, which is great if you're clumsy like me. It's also IP65 rated water resistant, which means it can handle some rain or snow. But don't go swimming with it. It's not that kind of waterproof. And weight-wise, it's surprisingly light. Just 2.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry. Toss in a backpack or just leave in the glove box without feeling like you're lugging around a brick. Asterisk. All right, time to put this bad boy to the test. This car right here, it's completely dead. Like hasn't moved in weeks. Kinda dead. Let's see if the GB40 can bring it back to life. Asterisk. One of the best things about the NOCO GB40 is that it's ultra safe. Even if you mess up and connect the clamps the wrong way, it won't spark or damage your car. It literally won't. Let you make a mistake. Spark proof. Reverse polarity protected. Super beginner friendly. Asterisk. Boom. Just like that. Started right up. This thing is like jumper cables on steroids. No need for a second car or roadside assistance. It just works. Asterisk, and it doesn't stop there. This is also a portable power bank. Got a dead phone in an emergency? Plug it right in. USB-C charging makes it fast and efficient. And check this out. The built-in LED flashlight has 7 modes. Yes, 7. Including strobe and SOS. Whether you're changing a tire at night or signaling for help, this flashlight has your back, literally and figuratively. Asterisk host. Now, I've tested a few jump starters over the years. I gotta say, the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 just gets it right. Some others are bulky, slow to charge, or flat out unreliable. With NOCO, you're getting consistent power, durability, user-friendly design, and multifunctionality that actually matters. Asterisk, trust me. Once you've used this thing once, you'll never go back to jumper cables again. Asterisk, final thoughts. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is absolutely worth every penny. For the price of a couple tanks of gas, you're getting peace of mind, safety, and the power to bring your car back to life. All in a device that's smaller than a toaster. If you're looking for the best battery charger and jump starter combo on Amazon, this is it. No gimmicks, no guesswork. Just reliable performance when you need it most. Asterisk. If you liked this review, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And leave a comment if you've ever had a battery fail you in the worst moment. I want to hear your horror stories. You'll find the link to the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 in the description below. Grab yours now before your battery decides to call it quits again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Asterisk.